Hi guys, so welcome back to our channel. So did you know Dove has a liquid hand wash? And today's video is sponsored by Dove, so thanks to Dove for sponsoring this video. And today I'm going to be sharing my winter evening routine for this holiday season. So if you guys want to see what I've been doing in the evenings this winter, then just keep watching. So as soon as I get home from Pilates or coming from anywhere, the first thing I always do is wash my hands. And the Dove Deep Moisture Liquid Hand Wash is my go-to because it washes away dirt and germs while also moisturizing my hands for hours, leaving them super soft after washing. Especially during the holidays with the amount of people out and about, this Dove Deep Moisture Liquid Hand Wash leaves my hands feeling so soft. My hands don't feel rough or dry afterwards, so the Deep Moisture one is definitely my favorite. So this gentle hand wash is formulated with the Dove Unique 5 times moisturizer blend consisting of 5 skin nutrients and moisturizers. And that's not all, this creamy hand wash strikes the perfect balance between hygiene and care. Not only is there no sulfates or parabens, it effectively washes away dirt and germs while still leaving my hands moisturized. I cannot wash my hands enough this holiday season, and this one also smells really good. The Deep Moisture has like that signature like sweet fresh smell, so I love that the Deep Moisture hand wash still smells like the original Deep Moisture scent. It smells so good. So I'm usually really hungry after I work out because I don't like to eat anything before I work out, so I'm just going to be heating up some leftovers. I made tomato rice soup the other day, so I'm going to be eating that. I'm a huge soup lover in the wintertime. All I make is soups, anything that feels warm and filling at the same time. So yeah, I'm gonna eat that and check my socials. I eat at the table sometimes, and this is one of those times. So after I eat, I'm gonna head to the bathroom and take a nice hot shower. I love a good hot shower. And I'm gonna be using a nice moisturizing body wash because the winter air does not care. So I like a good lather with some moisturizing body wash. So after my shower, I go straight into some skincare, and then I go into my serums. I like a nice hydrating serum, a good retinol serum, and of course, I have to layer the moisturizer on, especially this time of year. So I do moisturizer and a nice restorative cream to top everything off. And I'm going to finish with some lip balm and some lip oil over top of that lip balm. So after skincare, I'm going to moisturize my body with a really nice nourishing lotion, and I'm going to mix that with a nourishing body oil / jelly. And I love mixing like body creams and lotions with some kind of oil, especially for this time because it just gives my skin that extra moisture. And I love like the sheen and the glow that it leaves. So that is my winter body care. And the nice cherry on top are some nice silk pajamas to keep me warm and protect my skin from the dry air. So I'm gonna head into the kitchen and heat myself up some dessert. Kelsey and I made some sweet potato pie the other day, and it turned out really well. And I'm gonna top that off with some whipped cream. And I'm usually not a big dessert person. I'm really picky, and this has been my guilty pleasure for the holiday season. I'm also going to have some tea with my dessert. I usually like mint tea or ginger tea. Sometimes I also like a blend of loose teas, but today I'm going to have some mint tea. Okay guys, so that wraps up this holiday evening routine, and if you guys are interested in the Dove Deep Moisture Liquid Hand Wash, or a hand wash that doesn't dry out your hands, then just check the description box. And thank you guys so much for watching.